English workshop question number 1. Sing the song. 2. Note down pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Add one more rhyming word to each pair. Answer 1. Tears, fears, ears. 2. Share, aware, care. 3. Sun, one, fun. 4. Divide, wide, hide. 3. Guess and discuss the meaning of the following lines. It's a world of laughter. Answer means it is the world of happy people. Laughter here means happiness. A world of tears. Answer means the world is full of sorrow. Tears are the symbol of unhappy people. It's a world of hopes. Answer means there are people who have hope. They are hopeful about their future life. And a world of fears. Answer means there are many kinds of fears in this world. There are dangers, calamities, accidents, diseases that spread fear among people. 4. The poem says, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Give examples of other actions or gestures that mean the same in all parts of the world. Give 3 examples of gestures or actions that have a specific meaning only in certain regions. One such example would be the thumbs up sign. 1. Thumbs up. This sign shows winning. Everything is alright, accepted, to agree on something. 2. V sign with fingers. This sign shows victory or success, winning. 3. Shake hand. It is a way to say hello or agree on something. 4. Bow. It is a sign of respect. 2. Gestures or actions that have a specific meaning in certain regions. 1. Touching feet of a person. To show respect to the elderly or respectful person. 2. Namaste or Ram Ram. To say hello or greeting someone. 3. Rubbing cheeks on another person's cheeks. To show love or close relationship. 5. Write down 3 of the conversations you have prepared or heard. Conversation 1. Avni. Hi, how are you, Mukta? Mukta. Fine. And how are you, Avni? Avni. I am very happy. Back to school again. Mukta. Yes, back from our holidays. Avni. Now new class, new books, new teachers. Mukta. Really very nice. Let us go to our class. Avni. Yes, sure. Conversation 2. Swara. Hello Namu. Namu. Hi, how are you? Swara. Fine. How did you spend your holidays? Namu. I went to our village home. With my family. We enjoyed a lot. What about you? Swara. I couldn't go anywhere, but still I had so much fun eating mangoes. Namu. Now here is school. We will have much more fun together. Conversation 3. Advait. Hello. Anand. Hello. I am new here in this school. Advait. What is your name? Anand. Anand Shah. I am feeling very lonely. Advait. Don't worry. You will get good friends here. Advait. Oh, sorry. Meet my friends, Manthan and Om. Anand. Hello, Manthan. Hi, welcome to our school. Om. Let's go to our class. Hi friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.